What if getting rich has less to do with how smart you are and almost everything to do with how you act? Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, argues that financial success is a soft skill where what you do is more important than what you know. Today, we are breaking down the surprising truths about how regular people can build a fortune by mastering their own behavior. The book's biggest lesson is that getting good with money isn't about intelligence, it's about behavior. We have all heard of brilliant people going broke and people with average incomes becoming billionaires. Think of the classic story of the humble janitor who quietly builds a massive fortune. His secret wasn't a hot stock tip, it was discipline. He understood his savings rate is more powerful than his income. Simple patience and living below his means are financial superpowers. Next, we have to admit the giant role of luck and risk in our finances. We like to think success is purely about grit, but that's not the whole story. Take Bill Gates. He was brilliant, but he also had the incredible luck of going to one of the only high schools in the world with a computer in 1960s. For every story of incredible luck, there's a story of devastating risk. The lesson is to stay humble, accept you can't control everything, and focus on what you can. This leads to a mind bending idea. Real wealth is what you don't see. Our culture confuses rich with being wealthy. A new Ferrari is rich, that's money spent. Wealth is invisible, it's the car not bought, the upgrade turned down, it's money saved and invested. Author calls this the man in the car paradox. You see a fancy car and think about how cool you would look in it, not about the driver. Trying to win respect by buying things is the fastest way to have less wealth. So, how do you build that invisible wealth? With the magic of compounding, which requires one thing above all: time. Look at Warren Buffett. We see a stock picking genius, but his real superpower is time. Over 99% of his net worth was earned after his 50th birthday, thanks to decades of uninterrupted compounding. Getting wealthy is one thing, but staying wealthy is another. You have to survive in the game long enough for time to work its magic. Put it all together: master your behavior, respect luck, build invisible wealth, and stay patient. And you get the single greatest thing money can't buy: freedom. The freedom to control your time. That's the true goal of wealth. Not more stuff, but a life lived on your own terms. So ask yourself, are you using your money to buy things, or are you using it to buy control over your most valuable asset, your time? Subscribe if you like this.